Today I'm in downtown LA, folks. Downtown LA. This is the Disney Center right here. I'm gonna walk through this throughout these skyscrapers all the way to the Lakers Stadium. So this is oh, they got the Broad Museum over there too. I'm gonna walk all the way through these streets over here, all the way to Crypto.com Arena. Crypto.com. It's cool over here, though. Pretty cool. Not gonna lie. That's the Broad Museum right there. I think it's free. I'm not gonna go there. It's like something that has to do about like illusional stuff and stuff like that. They have like big toilet seat, big stuff over there. But anyways, I'm not gonna get inside there. You can Google it. Broad Museum downtown. This is Walt Disney over here. Tried to fly the drone and then the cop came out. Broad Museum over here. The tall buildings over here. I'm gonna get a drone shot from the other side. It's pretty cool. This is the good side of downtown LA. I might end up in Skid Row, which is probably the worst area out here, but I will let you know. Just enjoy it. I think that US Bank building, you see the building over there? The US Bank, I think that's the tallest one over here. Let's get going. If I had a bike, I would send it from here, man. I mean, it's sketchy though, but they had like a skateboard too. I see some people come here and skateboard this hill, like Sandy. I will fly the drone from the other side because over there they have like they have federal buildings. So I was like, you know what, I don't want to get arrested. I don't want to get arrested or some shit. So that's nice. I love it. Check out these buildings. I love it. That's the US. That's the US tower. Up there they have a restaurant actually. What if I try to get in? I mean, I'm gonna ask them if I can go to the rooftop. Probably you get some sick views up there. See up there at the top, they have a restaurant. We get some sick views from up there, probably. I think I'm gonna fly the drone over here, dude. Just to get some area shots. mean, I already have drone shots of this area though. Yeah, I'ma just vlog for now. I'ma just vlog for now. It's pretty cool, huh? That's down right there. That's another building. This is an alley. I'm trying to get to the Lakers stadium. This is a new hotel over here. Look at the art on the building over there. Alright, let's get there. Then I might actually jump on the train. There's a train that goes from here all the way to the beach. It's pretty cool, huh? I like it. I don't usually come out here. That's why actually I find it kind of cool. This is a new building actually they built. That's a hotel right there. I think the Lakers Stadium is behind this hotel over here. I have a video flying out of this hotel. There's something going on over here, but I don't know what's happening over here. It could be a fire, but this hotel is pretty sick. Let's get there. Let's get behind the hotel. I'm gonna show you guys the Lakers Stadium and LA Light, and that's it. That's pretty much the build. It's a nice hotel, yeah. They have a swimming pool on the rooftop over there. I mean, I can fly my drone again, but the thing is, security here is tight in downtown. As soon as they saw the drone, they were like, yo, we can't fly the drone. Because I don't want to get a fine or something. So I'm gonna make a left over here, but yeah, it's the Marriott Hotel. So this is LA Live, and they have a Toyota over there. They have like a Toyota on display. Let's check it out. This place at night is busy though, and whenever they have like a Lakers game, or like I think they have a hockey team that plays here too, they have like restaurants and stuff. I think they have a Microsoft Theater over here. I'm gonna just give you guys a tour. They have Starbucks too. Is that an electric one? Yeah, I think that's the electric one. Check out, that's downtown already. Yeah. I think these are the new electric Toyotas or whatever. Let me show you let me show you guys the Crypto Arena right now. So they have a bar over there. You see right here? So you get Crypto Arena right here. Then you have Peacock Theater. Then you have LA Live. That's pretty much it. You can come and sit here. This skyscraper over here been under construction for years. This is a classic one though. Today was a good day. Ice cream.
This is
There you go. This is Crypto Arena, folks. Where the Lakers play. You will see right now. Crypto.com Arena. Yeah, they don't have. It's closed, probably. They don't have games today. But this is the Crypto Arena. Check it out. And they have like stadiums right here for players. I think for retired players. Crypto Arena. I think they have a shop here too. You can buy their merchandise. You see what I'm saying? This is like a hockey team that plays here. The Kings, I think. Yeah, the Kings. LA Kings. This is Jerry West. He's a legend. That's Shaquille O'Neal over there. Check out the store. They have a store here where they sell. I think it's closed. Where they sell merchandise. So these are the teams that play here. The Lakers, the LA Kings, the LA Clippers, and this is, I think, I don't know what team it is, to be honest. I think it looks like, I don't even know. It could be the female like Lakers team. The store is closed today. This is where you can buy merch. No, they open actually. That's fine. I'm not going in there. Pretty cool, huh? I don't usually come to this part of town, to be honest. People avoid actually downtown. So that's LA Live over there. And this is Crypto.com Arena. That's it. I might fly the drone and include some drone shots.